radio-equipped members should always be assigned to shut the power off to a stalled elevator. Always ensure you locate the proper shut-off switch. Communicate to the officer that the power is being shut down to elevator 104. In this instance, if it's the wrong elevator, he will notify you. When we arrive on scene of a stalled elevator, we should always attempt to find out if a building maintenance or an elevator mechanic is already operating on the stalled car. Our first attempt to remove the car and get it back to the elevator lobby should be by recalling it with the fireman's service key. On sliding hoistway doors, the drop key is normally used. It is inserted into the small hole at the top of the elevator door and slid into the end drops. Now the firefighter can turn the key to hit the release mechanism and open the exterior door. When we arrive on an upper floor, the hoistway doors may not have holes in them for elevator keys. We may have to use a hook, elevator poles, or a hockey stick to pull over and hit the opposite car's release. This is done from the inside of the operating car to the stalled car. Lockout, tagout equipment should be highly visible when you enter a large elevator room. Firefighters may not find this equipment in all elevator rooms. It should be used to warn anyone that power is removed and an emergency exists. This power control lever has been locked in the off position while work is being performed on an elevator. It is properly secured with a padlock and tag, informing a firefighter this situation occurring with an elevator. Once we lock out a system, only trained elevator mechanics can turn it back on, or we can under their supervision. After shutting power off to an elevator, check to see if the cable reel is still rotating or operating. If it is, there may be an auxiliary power source powering the unit, which will also need to be shut down. If you notice smoke issuing from a flywheel like this one, a brake shoe may be hung up and not releasing. Once the car has reached the floor and occupants are removed, shut off the power and properly lock out and tag out the elevator. Note the problem, date, and time.